In this video, we will show you how to make fluffy and delicious French toast from scratch. Whether you are looking for a mouth-watering breakfast idea or a satisfying brunch option, this French toast recipe is the perfect choice. Follow along as we guide you through the process, from preparing the batter to cooking the toast to perfection. Get ready to indulge in a tasty and comforting treat that will leave you coming back for more. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest recipe videos. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're bringing you a mouth-watering treat, fluffy and delicious French toast. Get ready to satisfy your taste buds with this irresistible breakfast or brunch option. Let's get started. French toast, also known as pain perdu in French, is a classic breakfast dish loved by many. What sets our recipe apart is its fluffy texture and delectable flavors. In just a few simple steps, we will guide you on how to create this culinary masterpiece. To begin, let's gather the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 1. Bread slices. Choose a bread that will soak up the flavors, such as brioche or challah. 2. Eggs. You'll need eggs to create the custard-like mixture that coats the bread slices. 3. Milk. Use milk to add richness and moisture to the French toast. 4. Vanilla extract. A splash of vanilla extract enhances the flavor profile of the dish. 5. Ground cinnamon. This warm spice adds a delightful aroma and taste to the French toast. 6. Pinch of salt. A pinch of salt helps balance the sweetness and enhances the overall flavor. First, crack the eggs into a shallow bowl and whisk until well beaten. Next, add the milk, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together until fully combined. The aroma of vanilla and cinnamon working together is simply divine. Now it's time to soak the bread slices. Dip each slice into the prepared egg mixture, ensuring both sides are well coated. Allow the bread to soak briefly, ensuring it absorbs the mixture while maintaining its structure. While the bread is soaking, preheat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Once the pan is hot, carefully transfer the soaked bread slices onto the pan. Cook each side of the French toast for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Flip them gently using a spatula to avoid any breakage. The sizzling sound and tempting aroma will make your mouth water. Once cooked to perfection, transfer the French toast onto a serving plate. You can create a beautiful stack or arrange them side by side. The choice is yours. And there you have it, fluffy and delicious French toast that's bound to impress. This recipe is perfect for those lazy Sunday mornings or when you simply want to treat yourself. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your favorite breakfast or brunch recipes in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!